Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your TastyFX account to MetaTrader 5. Just follow these steps so you can log into MT5 and start trading right away. First, make sure you already have a TastyFX account and keep the email you received after registration. That email contains your login ID, password and server details, which you'll need in a moment. Next, open your MetaTrader 5 app. Click on File, then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type TastyFX, then tap Find Your Company. Once you see TastyFX highlighted in blue, click Next. Then choose Connect with an existing trade account. Now enter your login ID and password from the email TastyFX sent you. In the server field, select the exact server listed in that same email, whether it's for a demo or live account. Once everything is correct, tap Finish. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll have your TastyFX account successfully connected to MT5 anytime you're ready to trade.